Landshore Enterprises, LLC, with offices in Fort Lauderdale, Florida and headquartered in Venice, Florida, is a turnkey national design-build environmental company specializing in shoreline erosion control, repair and restoration challenges. Landshore uses non-structural, bioengineering, and biotechnical methods to fulfill the demands of our clients. Landshore Enterprises, LLC is committed to the process and successful results of all completed projects. Because our long-term objective is to provide clients with whom we contract the best solutions available, we rely a great deal on our engineering department. Our engineering is responsible for the integrity of the design-build-repair project to control and protect the shoreline from future erosion through research, investigation, tests, interpretation, design. In addition, we obtain all necessary permits and endeavor to make the project last as long as possible based on the analysis of compiled engineering calculations. Furthermore, engineering greatly reduces the risks and liability to you by ensuring that the precise amount of materials and labor hours to perform the job are determined before the project begins. The overall investment reflects in the pricing as stated in your design-build proposal. This approach allows our clients to be able to compare estimates from other contractors based on accurately written line items. By using an engineering approach, properties are protected by the engineering industry's acceptable minimum standards to ensure that the performed work will not result in deficiencies. Landshore's construction design and stated warranty are backed by hydrologic and hydraulic analysis as approved by FEMA's risk assessment methodology. All of our projects receive approval from federal, state, county, city and any other government agencies having jurisdiction. We do stand behind our warranty. Landshore Enterprises wishes to extend our warmest thanks to our clients. We deeply appreciate each customer. From our perspective, we feel our relationship is more of a special partnership than just a contract with a client. We work with each client in a way that is both communicative and constructive, and always appreciate comments and feedback to make us better at our job. We have the expertise, resources, technology, and collaborative insight to create designs and solutions that far exceed our clients' expectations. Due to our extensive experience in resolving various erosion problems around the nation, Landshore Enterprises is proud to guarantee complete satisfaction on all projects. Contact